Hello, in this video you will learn how to make your own reusable produce bag like this. Since it is made of net, so you can easily wash it. Here are the materials that you need for this tutorial. First step here is to cut two rectangles measuring 30 by 40 centimeter from the net fabric. Now place the second rectangular fabric on the first one, making sure the edges are evenly aligned. Now I will sew the seams of bottom and side edges, leaving 6 centimeter from the top so I can sew the casing for the drawstring. So mark this 6 centimeter from the top edge, and now we will set the machine for the zigzag stitch and sew these sides. Here snip all the extra threads, and then I will sew the edges of this opening on the sides. Fold it inside and sew it. Now I will sew these edges. Now after sewing both of the edges, I will flip this right side out, and now I will fold the top edge down to sew the casing. You have to fold it inside. And now sew. Sewing the casing like this will leave both the right and left side openings for the drawstring. The next step is to thread the cords through this casing. For this you need two 60 centimeter long cords, cotton cords. Now first thread it from the one side of the bag, and then thread the other cord from the other side of the bag. For this you can use your threading tool or any safety pin. Now hold the edges on each side of the bag and tie it together. And now do the same thing on the other side of the bag. and your reusable produce bag is ready. Thank you for watching the video, and for more such content please subscribe to my channel.